Dracena marginata, more commonly known as dragon tree, is an attractive stiff-leaf plant with green sword-like red-edged leaves. Dragon trees are tough, drought-tolerant plants with aggressive root system that make excellent houseplant. These plants are perfect for a beginner gardener because they are very easy to grow indoors and outdoors. In this video, we will learn how to grow Dracena marginata. If you want to grow your plants in a right way, then you are at the right place because here you can find the answers of all your how-tos. Simply just by clicking the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel for enjoying happy gardening with me. Dragon trees grow best in bright light, but they can also survive in dim light. Plants in low light situations will grow slower and will produce smaller leaves with less intense color. Don't place your dragon tree in full sun because the foliage might burn. When growing as a potted plant, use loose, well-drained potting mix. Loamy soil amended with peat moss is ideal. Make sure the container has room for the extensive root system. It's easy to overwater this plant. To ensure that you don't drown it, wait until the top half of the soil is dry before watering. In low light, this can take up to 3 weeks. If the plant develops brown tips on the leaves, that is often a sign of overwatering or the water contains too much salt or fluoride. Like other plants in its genus, Dracena marginata is sensitive to fluoride, which can cause discoloration. To avoid fluoride, water the plant with distilled or non-fluoridated water. If the plant has yellow leaves, it usually means it needs more water. Dragon trees prefer temperatures between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Regular household humidity should be fine for them. If your house is particularly dry, consider a light misting from a spray bottle. Dragon trees have a relatively low need for fertilizer. Feed them lightly at the beginning of spring or twice a year with controlled release fertilizer. Don't fertilize in the winter. Repot your dragon tree into large pots as necessary. Because these trees grow so slowly, they generally require repotting only every second or even third year. Refresh potting soil annually with fresh soil to replace any that has become compacted. Dracena marginata roots easily from stem cuttings. Root it in water. It takes about 3 weeks for the cutting to sprout roots, and using a rooting hormone isn't necessary. Beautiful as it is, the plant is also poisonous. While it's not harmful to humans, the leaves are extremely toxic to cats and dogs. Although they are usually disease resistant, Dracena marginata is susceptible to scale, mealybugs, and thrips. Dragon tree is also susceptible to the common plant pest, spider mites. They tend to occur when temperatures are warm and the air is very dry. However, the mites are very difficult to see until they have already damaged the plant. These are the basic care tips for dragon tree. If you follow these steps, you can definitely grow a tall and a vibrant colored dragon tree. If you still have any query, please feel free to ask. There are several varieties of Dracena marginata, but the most common are Colorama, as shown in the picture, Dracena marginata tricolor, and Dracena marginata bicolor. As mine, I have this variety. Question of the day is, I like Dracena marginata Colorama because of its beauty. Which variety do you like to grow? Please share with me writing in the comment box below.